Five.
Sauli na lang pipili ah. Hoy, huwag kasi maingay.
Three. Surrender ready. 2. 1. Begin.
Middle of course. Why? What? Where? You're going to leave me? You're my best friend, right?
I know, Jurel. You're my best friend. But I have nothing to do. I'm already engaged.
What? How?
Fixed marriage.
Oh, but this can't be happening. No. Please don't leave me.
I promise. I will come back.
When? No, we're good. I like you. That's the best friend. But it's more than that.
What do you mean?
I love you. Please don't leave me. Please.
Why did you not tell me that you liked me? That we're only best friends. For 2 years, that we have been together. Why did you keep it secret? You're too late, Jurel. You're too late.
You know.
You know, like you too.
Continue.
But I was afraid to tell you. Because I thought you have someone else.
You're the only one I love from the start. I'm sorry for not telling you because I'm afraid to. And we can stop the fixed marriage, right?
But you do not know my parents. They can do what they want. They can kill if they want for the sake of our business.
RJ, please. Please, I'm begging you. Please don't leave me. Go with me. I promise to make you happy. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
It's too late, Jurel. Here.
Question mark.
Uy, hawakan mo ulit.
Take care of this. This is the sign of my love for you. I love you.